Powered by NationalLink.
One envelope or paper is considered one master key, and 2 envelopes will be required per ATM. At the start or after a keypad reset, the ATM screen should read F030. EPP secure mode password is set to default. Press Key Management in the bottom right corner. Enter in the default password, which is 6 zeros for password 1 and password 2. Then set a new personal password for password 1 and re-enter it to confirm. Set a different password for password 2, then re-enter to confirm it again. Note, the passwords cannot be the same. After the timer is up, select Key Management and input the new passwords you set. After a few seconds, the screen will show a warning to make sure you have the keypad installed correctly and will ask, Switch to operation mode. Select Yes. Select OP and log into the ATM with your master password. Select ATM OP. Select Host Setup. Select Key Management. Enter the 2 new secure mode passwords you set at the start. Make sure key mode is set to TDES. In the Key Management menu, select Edit Key. Select Master Key A, then input an index number. Note, index can be any number 1 to 9. Reference the keypad layout. Right arrow A, left arrow B, blank key C, cancel D, clear E, enter F. Looking at your first master key, enter the 32 letters and digits. A checksum will appear on the screen. Verify it matches with the checksum on the master key. If it does, press enter to confirm, and if it does not, press enter and restart this process from selecting master key A. Select master key B. Then input the same index number you choose for master key A. Press enter to confirm. Once you are done, you will be directed back to the Select Master Key screen. Press Cancel to return to the Key Management menu. The center of the Key Management screen will show the key index you choose. Confirm key checksum shown is the same as the one that your host processor gave you after binding the master keys. If the combined check digit matches, turn the ATM off and back on.